Good day, Grade 5. Welcome to English 5 class. Today, I am going to discuss with you Module 3, Lesson 1, using complex sentences to show a cause and effect relationship. What is a cause? What is an effect? Why do certain things happen? What does knowledge on cause and effect contribute? What is the advantage of being able to properly describe a cause and effect process? In this lesson, you will learn to identify causes and effects, combine cause and effect clauses using a correct conjunction, and use complex sentences to show cause and effect. If you turn your module on page 1, you can find the What I Know part. This part of the activity is designed to check what you already know about the lesson. So let's find out. Read each sentence below. Write C if it is a cause and E if it is an effect. Use a separate paper as your answer sheet. Now let's have a short drill. Write down the cause and effect of the following sentences in the proper column. An example has been provided to serve as a guide in answering the activity. Our example sentence here is, Mario got sick because he played under the rain. We put the clause because he played under the rain under the column cause. And we put the clause Mario got sick under the column effect. Now it's your turn to answer the activity. Let me introduce to you our lesson by reading this paragraph. Please listen while reading it with me. What causes a tsunami? One of the most common causes of a tsunami is by an earthquake. The entire planet is covered with pieces of rock that float on liquid magma. These pieces are called tectonic plates. As they move, they can sometimes rub together, causing the ground to shake. When two plates move suddenly, the water on the surface of the earth gets displaced and can cause a wave. The wave begins to move and a tsunami is born. When a strong quake occurs under the sea, a tsunami alert is sometimes declared, especially if it is near the shorelines. When this happens, people are advised to evacuate to higher grounds. Disobeying orders to evacuate may cause serious harm or injury to people. Adapted from What Causes a Tsunami by Jeremy Cook. Now it's your turn to answer the questions regarding the paragraph. Now let us study the sentences which you already encountered in the previous activities. Number 1. Because he played under the rain, his mother became angry. Number 2. The boy broke his leg when he fell from the tree. Number 3. When a strong quake occurs under the sea, a tsunami alert was declared. Number 4. The town was put on lockdown since people kept going out without masks. You may have noticed that the lesson talks about cause and effect. You are right. You are even made to identify examples of a cause and also examples of an effect. You also may have noticed that in any cause and effect relationship, there is always one event that serves as a cause and another event that becomes the effect. The cause is the reason why something happens, while the effect is the result of something that happened. Whatever the case may be, the cause always takes place before the effect, and the effect always happens last. In these sentences, the causes are written in red ink, while the effects are underlined. Do you notice how the word structure of all the causes are written if you erase all the connected effects? Will they stand on their own as a sentence? Let us look at this group of words when the effects are removed. Number 1. Because he played under the rain. Number 2. When he fell from the tree. Number 3. When a strong quake occurs under the sea. Number 4. Since people keep going out without masks. You see, this group of words cannot be considered as sentences since they don't have a complete meaning and they cannot stand on their own. They need the omitted parts to become complete sentences. This group of words are called dependent clauses. Now let us examine the groups of words that represents the effect. Number 1. His mother became angry. Number 2. The boy broke his leg. Number 3. A tsunami alert is declared. Number 4. The town is put on lockdown. Do this group of words have a complete meaning? Can they stand as a sentence on their own even without the causes added to them? If your answer is yes, then you're right. These groups of words that have a complete meaning are called independent clauses. When a dependent clause and an independent clause are combined, they form a complex sentence. Let us read the following sentence. First, the boy broke his leg when he fell from the tree. The independent clause there is the boy broke his leg. And the dependent clause is when he fell from the tree. Next sentence. Because he played under the rain, his mother became angry. The dependent clause there is because he played under the rain. And the independent clause is his mother became angry. Third sentence. When a strong quake occurs under the sea, a tsunami alert is declared. Our dependent clause there is when a strong quake occurs under the sea. And an independent clause is a tsunami alert is declared. Fourth sentence. The town was put on lockdown since people keep going out without masks. Our independent clause is the town was put on lockdown. And our dependent clause is since people keep going out without masks. An effective way to link cause and effect ideas is by means of complex sentences. A complex sentence consists of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. These clauses are joined by subordinate conjunctions to show clear and precise relationship. The words because, as, in order that, since, although, as a result, and so that, which function as subordinate conjunctions, are always used to begin the dependent or subordinate clause. When the dependent clause comes at the beginning of the sentence, use a comma to separate it from the independent clause. Now, let us begin activities for independent practice to solidify your understanding of the topic. Let's have the first activity. Read the paragraph and complete the graphic organizer below with the missing details. Activity 2. Connect these pairs of clauses to form a complex sentence. Use because, as, in order that, since, or so that. You may switch the order of the clauses. There is an example provided for you. Complete each sentence by filling in the blanks with the correct answer. For the assessment, Activity 1. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the cause once and the effect twice. For the Activity 2, combine the short sentences by using the subordinating conjunction provided to create a complex sentence. And for our last activity, using the specified subordinating conjunction, add a dependent clause to the given independent clause to form a complex sentence. Choose your answer from the box below. This is the end of our lesson for today. This is Ma'am Belle saying, thank you and God bless!